Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use a Robel pole for our habitat evaluation work. You can see I've got essentially a meter stick taped to something that'll stick in the ground, a little point on the end here, and I have it marked in decimeters. So every 10 centimeters there is a numbered tape measure going up, and I have attached to this pole a 4 meter long rope that's hooked at 1 meter above the ground. So I'm going to go out here, I'm going to stick it in the ground and show you how I read this. Basically what I'm doing is I'm looking for vegetation that comes up and it's going to block one of these numbers. And in the vegetation I'm going to be able to see some of these numbers, and then below that I'm not going to be able to see, and I'm going to be able to put the number that has disappeared is what we want to record. And according to the protocol, it's either a whole number or a whole and a half. So it could be 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, whatever it is. But that's the decimeter things that we record on the data sheet. So I'm going to put this in the ground and show you how I read it. You also notice that there's only, the meter stick is only on one side. And so I can't see specific meters or centimeters in all 4 directions. I can only read that in one direction, so that's why we use the decimeter part. We record everything in decimeters, not in centimeters. So you get down to 1 meter above ground, 4 meters out, and you read. So in my case, from my angle right here, I can see, down to 3 very well. I cannot see 2 at all, and I can see the vegetation covers about 2.5 of the decimeters. So I would put 2.5 from this angle, and right now I'm south of the thing, so that would be under south. I put 2.5. If I come over here, this is the east reading. Again, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. It's the same thing. I can see 3 pretty well. I can't see 2 at all, and the vegetation starts covering the pole at about 2.5 decimeters. So basically that's it. You just do that in all 4 directions and you're pretty much done. Thanks.